Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. So today's interview question is very favorite. Double equal to versus equals method in Java. So our main question is what is the difference between double equal to and equals in Java. Double equal to checks reference equality. Are two references pointing to the same object? While equals checks value equality. Are the values of objects the same? Here is example. String A is equal to new string with argument Java. String B is equal to new string with argument Java. If you comparing A double equal to B, then it will give you the false because it is a string. If you want to compare numbers with double equal to, then it will be true. But if you are comparing A dot equals B, then it will give you true. So use double equal to for primitives or reference check. Equals for the value check. Interview tip: mention string comparison. They love that. Mention use cases in real world scenarios. So for more such golden nuggets, hit like and subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much, guys.